Akwa, cry. Akwa, bed. Akwa, clothes. Akwa, egg. These are 4 words in Igbo language that are spelled the same way, pronounced differently, and has different meaning. Ndewo. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Chidera Teaches Igbo Language, and in today's class we are going to be talking about some Igbo words that are spelled the same way, pronounced differently, and has different meaning. The English word for that is homograph, but there is no one word in Igbo language to translate the word homograph. However, we can describe it as ụfọdụ okwu dịka ibe ya n'egwu ma nwekwa ihe dị iche na nkọwa. Ụfọdụ okwu dịka ibe ya n'egwu ma nwekwa ihe dị iche na nkọwa. That is some words that are spelled the same way but has different meaning. But for this class, we're going to be looking at some Igbo words that are spelled the same way, pronounced differently, and has different meaning. So we're going to be looking at some of them. In case you are not familiar with your Igbo alphabet, just click on the video to know more about your Igbo alphabet. Let's start. The first word we are going to be looking at is Akwa. Akwa. It will mean Akwa, which is cry. Akwa, cry. Akwa, egg. Akwa, egg. Akwa, clothes. Akwa, clothes. Akwa, bed. Akwa, bed. Can you hear yourself? You're looking at the word Akwa. Akwa. It could mean Akwa, egg. Akwa, clothes. Akwa, bed. Akwa, cry. Another one is ECE. ECE. It could mean easy, which is head. Easy, smell. Easy. Easy to cook. Easy, head. Easy, smell. Easy, blindness. Easy to cook. Igbo. Igbo, hard drug, cigarettes. Igbo, to prevent something. Then Igbo as a tribe. Igbo language. Ma, which would mean beauty. Beauty. Knife. Can you put also? Beauty. Knife. Oboe, which could mean ube, pear, as in pear. Ube, pear. Ube, which is arrow. Ube, arrow. Ube, as in pear, the fruit pear, is called ube in Igbo. And ube, which is arrow. Ube, arrow, and ube, pear. Anwu, which could mean Anwu, as sun. Anwu, sun. Anwu, sun. Anwu, mosquito. The insect mosquito is called Anwu. Then Anwu, sun. Igwe, which could mean Igwe. Igwe is a king. Igwe, and that's the king. Then Igwe. Igwe is sky in Igbo language. Igwe, sky. So Igwe could mean Igwe, which is a king, and Igwe, which is sky. Ihe, which could mean Ihe. Ihe is more like light. Ihe. And Ihe is something. O-K-E. O-K-E. Which could mean okay, like a male, a man. Okay, male. Okay. Boundary. Okay. Boundary. Okay, rat. Let's take it again. Okay. Okay. Which could mean okay as in a male. Okay as boundary. And okay as rats, animal, rats. Okay. Ike, which could mean Ike, strength. Ike, strength. Ike, buttocks. Ike, buttocks. Ike, bunch. Ike, bunch. Ike, to tie. Ike, to tie.